Electric vehicles, EVs, are rapidly changing the automotive landscape, and luxury brands are leading the way. By 2025, luxury electric cars have evolved to offer the perfect blend of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. These vehicles offer everything from speed and range to sustainability and comfort, setting new standards for what a luxury car should be. In this video, we'll explore the top luxury electric cars of 2025, focusing on the best models that combine sophistication, performance, and environmental consciousness. Performance: 1,020 horsepower with a tri-motor all-wheel drive system. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds, the fastest production car on the market. Range: 396 miles on a full charge. Interior: luxurious, minimalist design with premium materials and seating for up to 5 people. Technology: full self-driving capabilities, advanced infotainment system, and over-the-air updates. The Tesla Model S Plaid is the epitome of performance and luxury in the electric world. With its unbelievable acceleration, advanced tech, and sleek interior, it's a true game-changer in the luxury EV market. Performance: 1,111 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Range: a remarkable 520 miles on a full charge, the longest range of any EV. Interior: spacious, sustainable materials including vegan leather and a 34-inch curved glass cockpit. Technology: advanced driver assistance features, futuristic infotainment system. The Lucid Air Dream Edition is a true masterpiece of luxury and performance, offering unmatched range and futuristic design. It's a car for those who desire the highest level of sophistication and environmental responsibility. Performance: 536 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Range: 318 miles on a full charge. Interior: premium cabin with high-end leather upholstery, advanced sound system, and heated, cooled seats. Technology: BMW's iDrive 8 system, gesture controls, and semi-autonomous driving features. The BMW Y7 offers a seamless blend of performance and luxury. With its intuitive technology, refined interior, and smooth performance, it is the perfect luxury EV for the discerning driver. Performance: 516 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Range: 350 miles on a full charge. Interior: high-end materials including leather, wood, and sustainable fabrics. MBUX Hyperscreen with 56-inch screen. Technology: advanced driver assistance systems, semi-autonomous driving, and a luxury experience. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 584 Matic redefines luxury in the electric vehicle market. With a focus on comfort, advanced tech, and eco-friendliness, it's the perfect choice for those who value the finest details in their ride. Performance: 590 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Range: 238 miles on a full charge. Interior: sporty, yet luxurious with eco-friendly materials and premium seating. Technology: Audi virtual cockpit, adaptive air suspension, and an intuitive infotainment system. The Audi e-tron GT is a dynamic luxury sedan with all the power and precision you expect from Audi. Offering a sporty experience while keeping eco-consciousness in mind, it's a perfect blend of luxury and performance. Performance: 616 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. Range: 246 miles per charge. Interior: minimalist, high-tech cabin with luxury materials and customizable finishes. Technology: 4D chassis control for precise handling, advanced infotainment system, and adaptive driving modes. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S brings sports car performance to the luxury electric vehicle world. With its superior handling, unbelievable acceleration, and premium craftsmanship, it's a must-have for any performance enthusiast. Performance: 394 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Range: 234 miles on a full charge. Interior: elegant with premium fabrics, customizable seating, and a spacious high-tech cabin. Technology: in-control infotainment system, semi-autonomous driving features, and advanced safety technology. The Jaguar I-Pace blends British elegance with the latest electric technology. With its sleek design, dynamic performance, and eco-friendly credentials, it's a great choice for anyone who wants to make a statement with their vehicle. Performance: 408 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. Range: 270 miles on a full charge. Interior, sustainable materials, a minimalist design, and a premium feel. Technology, Android-powered infotainment system, advanced navigation, and intuitive touch interface. The Polestar 2 is a Swedish electric vehicle that combines minimalist design with cutting-edge technology. If you want a luxury EV that's both stylish and eco-conscious, this car is an ideal choice. Longer range and faster charging. Many luxury EVs in 2025 are offering ranges of over 300 miles, with faster charging capabilities making them more practical for long-distance travel. Eco-friendly materials. There's a significant shift towards using sustainable and recycled materials in the interiors of luxury electric vehicles, including vegan leather, recycled plastics, and natural fibers. Advanced technology. From autonomous driving features to AI-powered infotainment systems, luxury EVs in 2025 are packed with tech that makes driving safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Performance and luxury combined. The focus is now on high performance that doesn't compromise on luxury. With fast acceleration, incredible driving dynamics, and spacious interiors, these cars offer the best of both worlds. Title: in 2025 are expected to revolutionize the way we drive and interact with our cars. These futuristic machines are merging with, promising to make transportation more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly. But what exactly does the future of autonomous electric vehicles look like? In this video, we will explore shaping the AEV landscape in 2025, and how these vehicles will change the way we experience mobility. Autonomous vehicles, AVs, are divided into levels based on their capabilities, from level 0, no automation, to level 5, full autonomy. By 2025, many manufacturers are targeting autonomy, where the car can drive itself in most conditions, but human intervention may still be required in specific situations, and work together to help the vehicle see and respond to its environment in real time, creating with minimal human intervention. Electric vehicles are already known for making them more eco-friendly compared to traditional internal combustion engine, ICE vehicles. When combined with, they can further reduce environmental impact by enabling optimized driving patterns that reduce energy consumption. Many AEV manufacturers are moving toward manufacturing, including the use of by 2025, most electric vehicles will be designed to further reduce their carbon footprint. Tesla is pushing the boundaries of both electric and autonomous vehicles. By 2025, the will be available with capabilities equipped with Tesla's system and software. Cruises is an autonomous electric vehicle designed for shared rides. The vehicle is built to be fully autonomous from the ground up, meaning it doesn't have a steering wheel or pedals, and is designed for efficient urban transportation. By 2025, will allow autonomous vehicles to communicate with other vehicles, traffic lights, road infrastructure, and even pedestrians. This will create autonomous electric vehicles will continue to benefit from allowing manufacturers to improve features, fix bugs, and enhance safety without requiring a trip to the dealership. Autonomous vehicles are designed to reduce human error, which is a leading cause of accidents. AEVs can make faster, more accurate decisions than human drivers, avoiding accidents and improving safety. One of the key challenges will be building in autonomous technology. While are proven to reduce accidents, there will be skepticism and concerns about how these vehicles make life-and-death decisions on the road. By 2025, we'll see a significant leap toward where AEVs will be capable of handling in all environments without human intervention. Artificial intelligence, AI, will continue to be at the heart of improving decision-making, vehicle efficiency, and real-time adaptation to changing road conditions. Autonomous electric vehicles will not only change how we drive, but how we think about transportation as a whole. These vehicles will reduce and make commuting more, and as we move into 2025 and beyond, expect to see, and that will push autonomous electric vehicles to the forefront of transportation. HLTHB and Tiguan LMQU LQD and W. Luxury electric vehicles in 2025 are a testament to how far technology has come. These cars offer the latest in eco-conscious technology, performance, and comfort, proving that you don't have to sacrifice one for the other.